Hello, Richard from Eagle6 Airsoft. We are going to be checking this Tokenry Scar H. Speeder. Get off. We're checking this Tokenry Scar H. This one has got level 10 upgrade kit and is spec'd for a DMR build. So it's locked to single shots and built for around 450 FPS is the limit. So we've got it measuring at 1.76 joules with 1.88 being the max. So nice high FPS on 4.3. We tested it on 4 ammo. And internally we've got the upgraded main power spring for Eagle6. We've got the Psionic R Hop kit for obviously maximum range on the heavy ammo. We've got the upgraded Type ball barrel, the 300mm. We've got the Prometheus 6mm bearings. We've got the Prometheus 20:1 gear set. We've got the FPS piston head. We've got the FPS carbon fiber piston for Scar specifically. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded recoil set, so hopefully a slightly harder recoil kick for you with the upgraded springs there. We've got the the Prometheus spring guide. We've got the FPS Cylinder Head, FPS Cylinder. We've got the Prometheus Air Nozzle. We've got the Prometheus tappet plate. We've got the Gate Titan NGRS front wide edition, because obviously it's front wide on the Scar. It goes out the front, then goes down the back. We've got the Warhead Ronin motor it's the 45k motor on this particular one, which is an interesting one because I'll talk about that later on the testing. We've obviously got a Dean's connector at the back here, and we've got the replacement fuse block from Eagle6, which just replaces the fuse block just to give you a bit more room to sit that flush and flat like that, which makes it easier to put the butt pad on. We've got obviously rebuilt it. We're going to be providing one 1800 7.4 volt battery, which obviously I'm testing on today. Obviously you can see the 1800s fit in there nicely, and I'm just going to demonstrate it working now. So and you'll see that obviously on the single shot trigger response, the 45k Ronin with no restrictions on it makes for a very fast single shot trigger. Bearing in mind this is 450 FPS, you know what I mean? So, and that's just spamming mental. Yeah, the 45k with no restriction, because normally obviously we do a rate of fire restriction on it. So clearly rate of fire restriction on these MOSFETs also obviously has an effect on single shot trigger response, because it obviously brings the whole motor down. And unfortunately, like I said, on a full auto one, you'd obviously have then full auto be unrestricted on a 45k motor, and then obviously on a recoil it'd be going way too quick. So yeah, it's just nice to see the just, you know, unlocked potential there, if you know what I mean, of the 45k on the DMR. And also interesting because obviously, you know, you think yourself typically, you know, 45k, you know, you associate that on a brush motor with obviously high speed, but it just doesn't work like that with the brushless. You know, the 45k there, you know, on the brushless motor provides the fastest trigger response, you know, for a DMR. But if it was a brushed motor, you probably would have coupled a DMR build with a slower motor, you know, a slower brush motor like a 20k or something, you know, for that high torque. But in this particular instance, like I say, that trigger response is instantaneous and very fast, you know. So I'll test it again so we get other shots through it. It's 7.4 volts as well, so. .450 FPS DMR. That's That's how fast it is on single shots. Referee be like, whoop, nope. Cool, so that's all tested, and like I said, we've gone over the spec. Hopefully everything's all good for you. Any problems with the build, let me know, but hopefully you enjoy this beast and have fun, and yeah, any problems, let us know. Thank you.